Hi, I'm Queena and I would like to introduce to you a soup to fight stress, to combat so much stress that's been building up in modern lives, right? And this is leveraging again my parents' over 50 years experience in the herbs business and my family's secret recipe. So the soup has three benefits. One, it combats restless sleep, insomnia, and also nightmare, bad dreams, right? Two, it fight or relieves stress and anxiety. And third, it calms the nerves and also spirit.
Introducing the ingredients, there are 8 types here. This first one is something called Tang Sam Fa in Cantonese, Teng Xin Hua in Mandarin, black dates, Poria, cocos, Chinese yam, goji berry, barley, Tangsen, Colenopsis, and small red bean.
So I'm gonna dig in now, and you should take a look at the soup, right? So this is it. This is the soup. Yeah, I haven't added salt. Yeah, I mean this is really customized to everyone's taste, right? Yeah, I mean, but of course with kids, some salt will be nice for a bit more flavor. Yeah. I like it actually because it, even without salt, right, I can taste already the light and sweet taste, and there's some natural taste from the pork. So yes, I love it, right? And I hope you can be more calm and have a more restful sleep.